What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu. Big stuff happening in Shiba Inu right now. Before we go over that, please hit that like button, subscribe, check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Pub.com, and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want to hear about next. I got sticky notes full of a bunch of stuff that you guys want me to go over, so I'm definitely gonna be going over all of that. But first things first, let's do this technical analysis. So as you can see here, these lines here are poorly drawn, but they are predictions of mine of where Shiba Inu could possibly go. So the first prediction was yesterday, or yeah, it was yesterday. I was like, we could possibly go up here on this uptrend out of this consolidation area, and we could just come right back on here. But we ended up not doing that and going on that path. So this one right here is not true. We can already take this one out. And then the next thing I said that we are possibly going to do is right here. And I just now did these two predictions today. So we're either going to go up on this temporary trend line right here, or we're going to go down on this temporary trend line right here out of this consolidation period. So which one do I think we're going to more than likely do? More than likely, we're probably going to end up going down on this trend line here. And I'm going to talk about why I believe that. Now, let's go over that now. So the first things first, Shiba Inu price shows signs of a bull trap at 0.000076. So yes, it's showing us signs of a bull trap, and we actually already had that bull trap. Now let's go over it. So sellers got caught in a bull trap with the break to the downside of August 26th. So price action is back above the 55-day moving average. Limited upside could now turn the tables on buyers and put them in a bull trap. So Shiba Inu price is on a choppy road and giving both buyers and sellers headaches. Price action has been descending since August 17th, but it was only until August 21st that markets got confirmation of a descending trend line. Purple sellers eagerly jumped on the signals and succeeded in driving prices below the significant 0.0000760 level. The break of this level resulted in a classic short with a failed test to break above again. The rejection got confirmed 3 times more before price action dipped further to the 650 area. And this was done yesterday. But look at this right now. Shiba Inu rank 50 right now. $2.8 billion, a lot of money still. But look at this. This is terrible right here. Rank 50. I want to be more than rank 50 with Shiba Inu. Like only up 0.72% inside the last 24 hours. 0.72%. That's terrible. And then we're down 2.37%. I still like Shiba Inu. I'm still in the Shibarmy. I just want to say that. But anyways, look, everything's going crazy parabolic inside the crypto market. Yeah, Shiba Inu is not doing so well. So that's all I gotta say with that one. Even Dogecoin's doing better, not much better, but Dogecoin's still doing better. It's still in the green. But yeah, we're gonna go over this and we're gonna talk about all of this. So Sheep might be controlled by buyers, but the bull trap looms at the 760 area. So the reason for this possible bull trap unfolding comes from two separate reasons. The first reason is the way buyers gained control. The green ascending trend line from July 20th got so chopped up on August 30th that it did not look proper as an entry point. One good element to remember is that Sheep could push above the 55-day simple moving average. The risk to the upside, however, is the triple belt of resistance hanging over the current price action. So as you can see here, they're talking about the 55-day moving average over here. And anyways, I do believe Sheep has potential, but let's be completely honest. Right now, we're inside of a downtrend. Like, it's a complete downtrend. We can't just be like, oh, we're in a bull market. No, that was a bull trap. And yeah, this is a downtrend. The overall crypto market is in an uptrend, but Shiba Inu itself is in a downtrend. So that's a negative sign right there. But still, I'm still confident with Shiba Inu for the long term. Anyways, let's keep going. The first resistance is the monthly pivot for September at the 0.0000748 area. It is always necessary to have support and resistance levels lined up. So the second reason is the 760, which has proven its importance already and originates from June 9th. The third and last factor for muted upside is the purple descending trend line formed from August 20th. So yeah, down here that you can see, however, in the case of buyers who can push on, expect a test of the R1 resistance level at 870. We shouldn't even be focused on that level. Let's be completely honest, but we should be focused on it down here. On the downside, sellers will still have the 550 area lined up as a support line, which is way back here. So yeah, I've been established that support line. It was actually major support line way back here. And yeah, we established this back inside July 20th. We already bottomed out there. So, anyways, I've been doing this technical analysis for Shiba Inu for a while, way back here. Anyways, but as you can see, July 20th, we have hit that support line, and that is a major support line. And Shiba Inu, let's be completely honest, is heading down, but it's not heading that low. Let's be completely honest. It's not going to head that low. It's going to keep going up and down and fluctuating like that. But anyways, we are more than likely going to go down on this downtrend here instead of going on this uptrend. And there's another reason for that. So let's go over that other reason here. If you must buy Shiba Inu, you do it on Friday. We're not going to read all of this right here, but pretty much what they're saying is they've actually did an average on when Shiba Inu does its worst and best price action. So on Monday, it's usually, a little bit, just a little bit of a gain, 0.19% gain, not much. Tuesday, usually down 2.99%. And you got Wednesday, usually up 5.22%. You got Thursday, usually down 2.45%. And actually, if you check on what we're down here now, today we're actually down a little bit. We're going to go over here, type inside of Shiba Inu, and then click on here. CoinGecko actually has been messing up. Let me know if you guys have been getting a lot of error messages from CoinGecko. They've been giving me too many error messages lately, so I'm going to be using CoinMarketCap way more. But anyways, look at this, down, are actually up 0.73%. And then over here, they say on Thursday, it's usually down 2.45%. If I recall, it's actually Friday. So I'm losing track of my days here. But yeah, usually they say on Fridays it's down 4.53%. So they're saying buy on Friday. But as you can see here, we are actually up 0.31%. So they're not that right. Anyways, this is what they say is usually how it is. So they say usually you want to buy it on Friday because we're usually down the most, and then we get our most gains on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. But if we get our more gains on Saturday and Sunday, what about Friday? Friday, as you can see here, we do have some gains, but it's very minimal. We'll probably end up dropping later on in the day, and then this will probably end up becoming true. So yeah, maybe Friday is the day to buy it, or maybe it's not. But maybe it's just their opinion. But anyways, Shiba Inu now has 648,000 people holding it. That's 648,337. Yesterday we had 647,841. So let's see how much we have once we hit that refresh button from 337 all the way up to 354. So yeah, a lot of people are still putting money into Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is still going up. A lot of money still flowing through it. We just have to be patient with it here because let's be honest, Shiba Inu not on the best foot right now. But we had so much price action. Like, you got to think about the last 4 months in Shiba Inu, the last 4 or 5 months. When Shiba Inu started going parabolic, May and April, when it just started to go crazy, that was unusual growth to the point where we have to retrace. This is, you could call it a retracement period. Still, I'm going to call it a retracement period. But I do believe Shiba Inu can come back inside the near future. This is going to take a little while. But anyways, expect Eckhart Inu to match Shiba, says financial advisors. So I don't even know what Eckhart Inu is. Like, there's just so many different copycats going on here. Now there's a new one called Eckhart Inu, so I guess you can make money there. They say the key points price may go 100x high. This is the first time this has happened in 2021. Everyone calling it as the DAD of all Inus, the data of all Inus, 470k plus account holders in the last 25 days. Let's see if that is true. Eckhart Inu. Wow, so this is actually true. So I didn't even know this was a thing. Eckhart Inu was even a thing. Polygon scan, I guess it's on a Polygon blockchain here. So yeah, this is huge right now. Like, I didn't even know Eckhart Inu actually existed. We're gonna go ahead and look up Eckhart Inu here on CoinMarketCap to see if it is even a thing on here. So yeah, it's not even on CoinMarketCap yet. And it's probably not even on CoinGecko yet, even though CoinGecko has been messing up for me. I'm still gonna look up cart. Yep, still not on there either. So yeah, that's a big statement that many people invested into this one meme coin that quickly. Like, look at this. This is crazy. You usually don't see this inside of crypto. Like, it's not even on CoinMarketCap. It's not even on CoinGecko. Yet there's 502 addresses out there. 502,000 addresses. So that's really big right there. Really big statement out of Eckhart Inu. I'm gonna update you guys on this in the future and let you know what I find out about it. I know nothing about Eckhart Inu right now, so I'm not gonna really say much about it. Most of it is inside of this burn wallet, and then all the other stuff is looks like it's evenly spread out between people, people inside the community. Like there's no huge whales to a point where it's outrageous. So yeah, this is definitely is new. I've never heard of a cart Inu, so I'm not gonna tell you guys to go buy it. I've never heard of it. I don't know anything about it. So definitely let me know what you guys think about a cart Inu. They have this whole website here for their white paper, but I know zero about cart Inu. So let me know in the description or in the comments if you guys like it, if you know anything about it, what you know about it, and what kind of info. They have all the info for it here. I'll probably do a whole separate video on it, but I don't know anything about it, so I'm not gonna go tell you guys to get it. They have their own hardware wallet. That definitely seems cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go over this inside of the future. But yeah, this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Gotta throw that out there. So yeah, let's move on to the next thing with Shiba Inu. Now it seems like every single day Shiba Inu is listed on Webull. Every single day for like the last 2 weeks, it's been listed on Webull. But now it's officially out of the beta version, officially on the mobile app. It's officially purchasable for everybody who owns Webull. Everybody who has Webull can purchase it now. So now it's 100% official here. Shiba Inu now listed on Webull. So now that we got that out, let's talk about what the Shibarmy has to say about this. So this person says, Manny Behema, whatever you want to call him, he says, one of the worst tokens ever seen is Shiba token. When eToro launched, it went down. When Webull launched, it is going down. Unless if you active a deflationary system only, he has some spelling errors here. So unless if you active a deflationary system only, it will show some performance. Otherwise, forget Shib is completely disgusting. Now, we have someone else say you do know Shib has a deflationary side to it now. So one, Shiba swap listings where the money is used to buy Shib and burnt, and two, Ryoshi Vision, a coin that is not associated with main development team, but as a contributor to the project where for transactions they burn Shiba tokens. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and say this: Shiba Inu is still a strong community, but there is a lot of haters in the community now. There's a lot of people spreading FUD, and some people aren't even hating on it. Some people are just mad that they lost money, so they're spreading FUD on Shiba Coin. Me personally, I think Shiba Inu still has a lot of potential, but it's just a personal thing, I guess. A lot of people lost a lot of money. I was smart enough to look at it and be like, all right, Shiba Inu is going down so much. I'm gonna take my money out for a little bit while and then watch what it does and then let it do what it does and then put a little bit in. But a lot of people have their whole life savings in there, so I completely understand. But anyways, let's move on. This is a pretty funny meme here. And what it says here is the Sheep Army sounds like a good community. You got this guy walking in here. And then over here, FOMO, not financial advice, to the moon, just here for the memes. So yeah, that's pretty funny here. But anyways, let's just say the Sheep Army is not breaking up, but there's a lot of people that are falling out of the Sheep Army little by little. Now look at this post here. They say they're disappointed with the members of the Sheep Army. He says, I see a lot of members in this community who absolutely have lost their faith on this token. Like I was saying earlier, this is fine as everyone is entitled to their opinion, and Sheep is also not doing the best as it can. But there are a lot of us who are invested in this token at some capacity and are rooting for it. All the negative vibes coming from the non-believers are only working counterproductively for the growth. Shib is already a multi-billion project, has a fair amount of holders and more joining every day. If you don't believe or have lost faith, better get into a low risk, low return investment and leave Shib. All of us OGs are here waiting for a small miracle to gain some decent profits and make our lives a little better. So yeah, I definitely agree with this. Everyone who has hate for the Sheep Army, everyone who's mad because they lost a bunch of money in Shiba Inu and they're spreading FUD about it, just go ahead and do yourself a favor and do the Shiba Army a favor and leave. Sell your Shiba Inu. Get out of Shiba Inu if you really have that much hate about it. If you're really that upset about it, get out of it. Go to something that is more stable, because if you can't handle the ups and downs in Shiba Inu, you should probably be inside the S&P 500, inside the stock market, because over there you're going to have the least up and downs. You're mainly going to have ups. So if you're that type of person, you just want to see your account going up all the time, slowly but surely, go back into the stock market, into the S&P 500, because crypto is not the space for slow, steady growth. Crypto is not the space for that at all. Crypto is the space for a parabolic growth for a month and then huge downtrends for 3 months. more parabolic growth for a month, and then more huge downtrends for 3 months. But if you invest in the beginning and you just ride it out and you buy it every single time possible, you're going to end up doing way better than people who are trying to time the crypto market. So yeah, that's all I got to say about that. But yeah, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm going to say this again, though. We're more than likely going to go down on this downtrend here. I'm seeing a pattern here. We have Scott topped out here, topped out here. We'll probably end up topping out here before we come down, probably do something like this, and then end up coming back to this trend line to where we keep going down on it. So this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to hear about next. I have sticky notes on top of sticky notes full of stuff to go over. So I'm going to be going over those slowly but surely. It takes a little while. But anyways, please hit that like button, and also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com, but especially Public.com because I really like it. I really like the social media features inside Public.com. It's like a social media app mixed with investing. So you can tell all the stocks that I have. You can see my whole portfolio for my Public.com stocks. So you can see all the stuff I got on there. And who knows, maybe they'll make a Public.com stock in the future. So yeah, definitely check that out, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.